Right now, this type of ant colony video is pulling millions of views. Look at this channel. He's uploaded only 26 videos and getting 61,000 subscribes. And just look the amount of views, literally millions. This video uploaded 2 weeks ago and he's agging 6.5 million views. So views potential is very high in this niche, and this is the best opportunity for new creators. So don't miss this. But the question is, how to create this type of content in some simple steps. Don't worry, because you subscribe Decoder AI. If not, do it, bro. Because in this video, I will show you exactly how to make this type of videos using free AI tools. So let's start. First, head over to this Google Docs file, link in the description, and copy this concept prompt. Now, go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. ChatGPT will give you 10 concepts, including hook, story idea, conflict type, and unique twist. So pick one of these as you like. I will choose concept number 5. Now back to doc file and copy this master prompt and paste it in ChatGPT. Now add concept and duration in this master prompt. Copy the concept and paste in prompt. And set the duration like I said, 30 seconds for short. Now press enter, and ChatGPT will give you image prompts and video prompts for your short video. Now go to Whisk AI. Because using Whisk AI, you can generate unlimited images and it's 100% free. Now back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt and paste it in Whisk AI. And select 9:16 ratio and press enter. Just wait a few seconds and it will generate 2 images. Choose one of these as you like and download it. Again, back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt and paste in Whisk AI. Now it will generate the second image. So repeat the same process to generate all the images. After creating all the images, it's time to turn these images into videos. For video generation, I will use one secret AI tool. Because using this tool, you can generate unlimited video without watermark. And here's the best part, it's 100% free. This AI tool link in the description. So head over to this AI tool and click this plus icon. Now select Create Video, and also select 9:16 ratio for short video, and add your first image. Now back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt and paste it below image. After press enter, it will convert your image into video in a few seconds. Just look at video. Amazing. Click arrow to download it. Now again, add the second image and copy the second video prompt and paste it. Now it will generate your second video. After wait a few seconds. So repeat the same process to convert all the images into video. Now for final edit, just import all the video clips in any editing software and set it sense by sense and export it. So your final video is ready to publish. And yeah, prompt and AI tool link in the description.